So let's answer this for all the women who's trying to lose weight. Kahit hindi ka nagpapapayat, bakit nga ba sobrang taas ng cravings mo during and before your period? Mostly ng mga babae may cravings, lalo na pag malapit na ang monthly period. Hindi mo ma-explain why. Do not worry. I am here to explain why and bakit. Why na bakit pa? So alam ko na nararamdaman nyo ito. Before or during your period, ang taas ng cravings mo. You always crave for sweets, carbohydrates, salty food, fried foods, handbags, wallet, shopping. Iba pala yun. Everyday nyo palang kine-crave yun. Going back. Hindi dahil ito ay mahina ang disiplina mo. There is something going on sa loob ng katawan nyo. This is related to your hormones. So as we all know, women have estrogen. Before and during menstruation, bumababa yung inyong mga estrogen and serotonin. Mga hormones nyo yan. Serotonin, ito yung inyong mood stabilizer. Bumababa yung serotonin nyo. Mataas ang chance na mag-crave ka ng comfort food. Siyempre, lahat tayo ganyan. Pag medyo malungkot ka or feeling mo may mali sa katawan mo, parang gusto mong makaramdam ng comfort. Di ba? Ganyan yung ginagawa mo. Tapos pagpapahid ka ng Vicks, pagpapahid ka ng ointment, sisinghot ka ng mga babangong inhaler. Yan yung nagiging to go to ng inyong katawan. Comfort food. Mabilis itong nakakapag-boost ng serotonin. Tumataas din yung inyong progesterone. Ito naman yung nakakapag-increase ng inyong appetite. So kahit anong kain mo, kumain ka na ng maalat, ng matamis, ng carbohydrates, feeling mo hindi ka pa rin busog. Meron pa rin hinahanap yung panlasa mo na hindi mo maintindihan. So hindi ito dahil wala kang disiplina. Ito ay dahil meron kang toyo. Iba pala yun. Meron kang mga hormones na nagko-control ng neuromechanical response mo ng mga ganitong pangyayari sa loob ng katawan mo. This is very normal. So, syempre, nagiging problema mo yan, lalo na kung nagpapapayat ka. So, pag may problema, dapat may solusyon. Bibigyan kita ng 4 na tips na pwede mong gawin. Number 1, add more protein plus complex carbs para hindi nagka-crash yung energy levels mo. So ano ba yung mga complex carbs na yan? Bananas, broccoli, oats, sweet potatoes or kamote. So complex carbs, yan yung mga dinadigest slowly ng ating katawan. So you feel more fuller for a longer period of time. Not unlike simple carbohydrates, yung mga sweet, sugary. So dinadigest yan ng mas mabilis. Chances are mas mabilis nagka-crash yung energy levels. You will feel hungry again. Number 2, hydrate. At least 1.7 liters of water per day or more. Minsan nakala mo gutom ka, pero fluid shift lang. So drink more. Check on your hydration. Number 3, do not restrict super low calories. The more na binaba mo ang calories mo habang nagda-diet ka, come your period days, biglang sasabog sa'yo yan. So ang ending yan, hindi mo na makontrol yung sobrang hunger and at the same time, yung hormones mo. You end up binge eating. Number 4, move. Light exercises kung nakakaramdam ka ng panghihina, pagkatamlay, usually during your periods. But most women naman hindi nakakaramdam ng ganyang symptoms. You can still work out. Exercise will help your mood hormones. Ire-regulate niya yan. So next time you have cravings, tandaan mo that is normal. Do not fight it. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang strategy para mabawasan yung iyong mga cravings during your period. Hindi ka mahina. You're literally fighting your hormones. Mahirap kalaban yan. So next time na sabihin sa'yo ni coach na stop eating junk food, stop eating sweets, ang arte mo, mag-diet ka. During your period, replyan mo siya, coach, with all due respect, wala kang ovaries. So shut the fuck up. I hope this helps.